So hey guys, so I want to do a little update video. If you remember a couple weeks ago, I posted about how you can get a new battery through the warranty on your car. So I ended up getting a new battery on this car. The battery is about 2.5 years old. I was having issues with it. It would have a hard time starting. When you go to push the button, it would hesitate and then barely start. I had to actually get it jumped one time as well to get it started. So I went to Acura and they hooked it up to a machine and they run a test on it and it showed that it failed. So they put a brand new battery in. So the battery is warranted for, I believe it's 8 years now, the battery they give you. So that's good news. So I shouldn't have to put a battery in this thing for a very long time, at least out of my pocket. So one thing I noticed though, I wanted to explain to you. Do you remember before I told you how when you select the driving modes here, now you can do the comfort, normal, or sport. But if you put it in comfort mode, it's supposed to stay in comfort mode. But before, I'd put it in comfort mode and it would stay automatically, just set it. It would stay probably 3 or 4 days. And then it'd always go back to normal, which I thought was kind of weird because you're supposed to be able to, if you put it in comfort, it should stay like that until you change it out. Now sport, it's each drive, but I thought that was weird. So what I've noticed with the new battery now if I put it in comfort and I tried this, it'll stay like that forever. So I've had it in comfort mode for over a week and a half with this battery, and it stays in there the whole time. And before, it was like 2 or 3 days most. So I don't know if that's a fluke or when the battery gets weak, that's something that it kind of reverts back to normal mode. It won't keep all your little parameters all the time. So I'm not sure about that, but I wanted to share that with you. If you had any experience with that, drop a comment below. But I thought that was interesting. Like I said, it's been a week and a half and it's staying in comfort. And before, no matter how many times I've tried it, when my battery started getting weak, it'd be 2 or 3 days and then I'd start it and then it'd be in normal mode again. So again, just wanted to share that with you guys. It's a great thing that these batteries are covered because I don't drive far. And so it puts a lot of wear and tear on the battery, these short distances I drive, a lot of stop and go. But it was a good thing it was covered, got it put in, no issues. So I'm happy about that. Didn't have to spend a couple $100 to get a new battery. So I just wanted to share the information with you guys again. So if your battery's getting weak, it might have things start acting a little weird that it shouldn't be doing. And that could be a telltale sign that your battery is getting weak as well. So again, just wanted to share some new information. If you're having battery issues and you're in warranty, definitely go to the dealer and get it checked out and save yourself a couple $100 as well. Okay. So I appreciate it. Appreciate the support. Hope everyone's having a great day out there. If you haven't, please subscribe to the channel and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks again, everybody.